JSLeague is a startup that does community and enterprise workshops on every JavaScript tech stack, as in Angular, React, Node, Vue, JS. So we cover all the JavaScript domain. We've started within the community of Bucharest JS, the biggest community of JavaScript developers in Bucharest. We did the hackathons, we did the meetups, and now this is the next level trainings, as in we want to take developers from good to great. I think I wanted to be an entrepreneur ever since in high school. I started a magazine in high school. I actually sold some of my clothes, so I did all those kinds of gigs. And I think I always been kind of a free spirit, so I don't want to be limited within the 9-to-5 program or work for anything else besides my dream or my project. So actually a few years back in university, me and other two co-founders, we started an agency for startups that did branding, design and development for them and help them build a coherent visual identity. So I think this is my path of being an entrepreneur, and now I'm going to take it to the next level to invest a lot of time and effort into the community and the education part. So I want to give back to the community because there were a lot of people that helped me learn and study and teach me all those great things, and this is my way of giving back all those cool stuff I learned. My biggest expectation for Startup All Day is to meet like-minded people that want to invest in education, even startups or NGOs or universities, and I want to connect with other communities, even educational ones or developer ones in the region and in the Western European space. I think the biggest advice I would tell other people that want to build a startup in Romania is to endure and have resilience, because there are a lot of obstacles in the way, but at the end of the day, it's the process that counts and not the ending.